Hi children, good morning. So as you can see, I am grouping my counters into three equal groups, just like what we have learned last time. We learned how to make and add equal groups. Now I am done making three equal groups. I have here 5 and 5 and 5. So I have three groups of 5. And three groups of 5 is 5, 10, 15. I have 15 counters altogether. But I am just wondering, is there any other way on how I can do this and how I can show you clearly that each group has equal amount or equal number of counters? Hmm, let us all find it out in today's lesson.
Oh, we have to help Teacher Jen to solve a problem. So let's see if our today's lesson solves the problem. Today we are learning to recognize an array, and at the end of the lesson I'm sure you can make simple arrays. Look at the picture. Jack says they have planted some seeds. How many seeds are there in each row? Pause the video and count the number of seeds. Let's get back together. This time you count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 seeds in each row. I hope you got the answer right. How many rows are there? Correct. There are two rows. One row and the second row. How many seeds are there in total? Any idea? Let's find it out. First, we line up the seeds in two rows as you can see in this picture. Next, we use number line to find out our answer. Since there are 10 seeds in each row, we make jumps by 10. 10, 20. So now I know there are 20 seeds because 10 plus 10 equals 20. You must be wondering what is an array. An array is a group of objects, pictures, or number in columns and rows. Look at this group of hats. We can see 3 rows over here. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Look at this group of hats. Here there are 3 columns. Let's check. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh yes! Making an array can help me show you better the three equal groups of counters. So let me start with this group of counters. I'm going to make one row using these counters. There. One row. I'll use the second group as the second row. And the third group as the third row. I was able to make an array. And as you can see, we have here 1, 2, 3 rows of counters. Now let us count the number of columns I have in my array. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 columns in my array, 3 rows and 5 columns. To write the repeated addition for this array, we can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. 5, 10, 15. 3 rows of 5 is equal to 15. Now children, we can see arrays everywhere. I'm going to show you that. Let's go. Just like this. This is an example of an array. Can you see that? We have 3 rows and 5 columns, just like my counters. This is also an example of an array. Even this one. Look at the cars. 2 rows, 3 columns. 2, 4, 6 cars. Look at these tea light candles. Can you see the array here? Look at the rows and the columns. See, I told you, arrays are everywhere. Now try to look around your house or your bedroom and see if you can find some arrays. Okay?
Let's practice now. Look at the box of chocolates. There are dash chocolates in a row. First, let's check the rows. 1, 2, 3. We can see 2 chocolates in each row. So my answer is 2. There are dash chocolates in a column. Let's check column now. 1, 2. As you can see, there are 3 chocolates in each column. My answer is 3. There are dash chocolates in the box. To find the answer, we can do it in 2 different ways. We can add the number of chocolates in each row. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Or we can add the number of chocolates in each column. For example, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I now know that there are 6 chocolates in the box. Let's try another one. Look at this box of chocolates. There are dash chocolates in a row. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chocolates in a row. Now, let's find out the chocolates in a column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolates in a column. There are dash chocolates in the box. Again, we can find our answer in 2 ways. I can either add the number of chocolates in each row. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20, or I can add the number of chocolates in each column. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. So there are 20 chocolates in the box. Can you tell me which strategy have we used when the add ends are the same? What is the strategy called? Yes, repeated addition. Well done. Let's read this problem and then solve it. The car park is full. There are 3 rows of 5 cars. How many cars are in the park? As Park says, draw the cars to help you. Can you organize them in an array? Pause the video and solve. Let's get back together. Here I have 3 rows of 5 cars. So how many cars altogether? Let's check. 5, 10, and 15. The answer is 15. I just added the number of cars in each row to get my answer. What have you learned today? Today you have learned to recognize an array, represent arrays using rows and columns, and the key words that you learned are rows, columns, arrays. This brings us to the end of the lesson. Now it's your turn to complete the activity posted in your Seesaw journal. Bye.